Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you are. So as you can see, we are at CVS, and even with all that is going on, I'm still going to shop at CVS this week because I want to pick up some deals, and I wanted to share these deals with you guys because I think they may be helpful with what we got going on. These are some good items that you can stock up on while you quarantine and chill. So I hope you're doing well, and I hope you are safe and healthy wherever you are. So the first item I'm going to be picking up today is some baby wipes. And of course, baby wipes have a lot of different purposes, but most of all, I know a lot of you guys may need them for your baby. So I want to tell you guys about this deal because it is really good. So the baby wipes, all Huggies baby wipes, are actually included. You can get the tubs right here, the 64 count tubs, or these packs right here. They are included in the spend 30 get $10 cash card deal this week. So these are $4.59 and these are $4.19, and they are also buy one get one 50% off. We also have a dollar off of two manufacturer coupon that we're going to use today on these. But what makes this deal really sweet is we're also getting back $1 for each pack on Ibotta with a limit of 5. So that makes these babies just about free after our cash card and the coupon and Ibotta savings. So this is a great item to stock up on right now, and I know a lot of my baby mamas are going to need this item as well if you are staying in the house. So send someone else out to grab these for you, because I am going to pick them up for my loved ones who have babies right now, because I know they do not want to leave home. So we're going to grab 4 of these as the first item in our deal today. And my store is actually pretty stocked up on these. I do have 4 already in my cart, and there is still plenty up on the shelf. So hopefully you'll be able to find a good bit of this item as well. And for you guys who may be wondering, Star, are you staying safe out there? I promise you I am. I have Lysol in my purse. I have sprayed this cart down, let it sit, let it disinfect. I also have gloves in my bag if I need to use them at checkout. So we are staying safe and Miss Rona free out here, I promise. The next item I'm grabbing is some Tide liquid laundry detergent on our spend 30 get $10 cash card deal. So I know we always need to stock up on some detergent, especially right now. So we have 3 different coupon options that you can use. You can use a printable coupon from the P&G website. You can use your digital coupon that you can find on the CVS app, or you can use an insert coupon from the March P&G. I'm going to grab 3 bottles, and you can use one of each type of coupon on each bottle if you would like to. Okay, so this is my complete spend 30 deal. I have 3 of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. I'm going to use 3 coupons on those. I have 4 of the Huggies wipes that buy one get one 50% off. I am going to use a 3 off of 12 baby CRT plus 2 of the dollar off of 2 manufacturer coupons on these. And I am going to get back $1 hopefully for each pack on Ibotta with that rebate. So this totals up to about $30 and some change before our manufacturer coupons. After those coupons and CRTs are applied, I think our out of pocket is going to be somewhere around $19. And then I will get back $10, making my final out of pocket just $9 in the store for these items. However, we're also going to get back $4, which will bring this down from $9 and some change to $5 for all of these items. Yes, $5 for 4 Huggies wipes and 3 bottles of Tide. That is an amazing deal. So, and great items that we need to stock up on right now. So this is what we're going to grab today. The next essential item that we're going to stock up on today is some cereal. So this is a great item to have while you are on your quarantine and chill. So the cereal is $1.99 on sale this week, and this is the General Mills cereal. We have a $2 off of 4 paper coupon that I'm going to use, and I'm also going to use a $2 off of 8 CRT on breakfast items. So I'm going to grab 2 boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I'm going to grab 2 boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios. I also have a 50% off in-app coupon that should work for this deal as well. So once I use both of those coupons, the $2, well, three of those coupons. So this one and then the $2 CRT and the 50-cent in-app coupon, I should end up paying just 80 cents per box for the cereal, which is a great deal. Okay, so quick change of plan. So I picked up the Honey Nut Cheerios, y'all, and those are not included in the 199 sale. So I'm gonna have to switch my plan up because I did not bring $1 off of two General Mills coupon with me. So I have the two boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and instead I'm gonna get two boxes of the Nature Valley breakfast biscuits. Also, you can also get the granola bars, but these are $1.99 as well, and we have a 50-cent off of two digital coupon. So I'm going to grab two of these, two boxes of the cereal. I'll use the 50-cent off of two for these. I'll use the two off of 8 CRT and the 50-cent in-app coupon for the General Mills cereal. I'm going to end up paying like $4.96 for all four products, but considering that I'm grabbing these as well, it's still not a bad deal. So the next thing I'm grabbing is a gallon of milk. If your grocery store is out of milk like mine, then check CVS as an option for milk. So these are $4.59 here, but you will get back a $1 extra care buck, and you can use your extra care bucks to pay, which may save you a little bit of money. So I'm going to grab this next. Next up, I am grabbing this Eucerin deal. So the Eucerin is back on the spend 20, get 10. I think it was on this deal last week as well. But I'm going to pick up one of the daily hydration lotions at $11.99 and one of the skin calming creams at $9.79. I think that's going to put me at $21.78. I'm going to use two of these $3.50 off printable coupons that you can print from the Eucerin website. And I'm going to use a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT. So that's going to make my out of pocket $11.78, and then I'm going to get back $10, making it just $1.78 for both items, or just 89 cents each. So that's a great price for Eucerin. Let's grab these products as well. Also be on the lookout for clearance CVS brand whitening kits and strips at your store. They were 75% off at my location. I was able to use the $3 off teeth whitening CRT plus $2 in extra care bucks and grab the rapid whitening kit for just 62 cents. I did that on another transaction, but I also wanted to throw that in there before I forget, and I'm including an image of my receipt so you can see how it worked out. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that we're grabbing this week at CVS. We getting in and up out of here, just grabbing the essentials and going. So we have our cereal and milk, our breakfast bars, our lotion, and then we have our spend 30 deal over here. I don't have my normal big stack of coupons. We just got a little regular stack. I think I have like, I don't know, maybe $19 in paper extra care bucks. And then I have $24, I think, in ECBs on my card, because you guys know I have a bunch of ECBs from last week because of that little glitch that happened. So this should work out well, and we should be able to grab some essentials for almost nothing. So let's go up to the register and see how this all works out. All right, you guys, so that was another beautiful transaction. Let's zoom in on my receipt. So there are our 2 boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There is our Nature Valley breakfast biscuits. There is our Tide liquid laundry detergent. There is our Huggies. And then here is our Eucerin lotion and our milk. So here are all of our manufacturer coupons. Everything worked out well. All of our CRTs came off. So there are our paper coupons up top, our $2 Tide digital, our Nature Valley digital, our 3 off of 10 for the lotion, the 3 off of 12 for the baby care, the 2 off of 8 for the breakfast, and the 50-cent in-app coupon for the General Mills. Here are all of our extra care bucks that we used right there. All of those worked out perfectly. Our subtotal came up to 31 cents, and then I had $3 in tax that I put on a cash card that I earned last week. And then let me show you our savings. So we saved almost $100, $94.25, and we had a savings value of 100%. So not bad at all to stock up on our essentials. We got our $10 coupon for the Eucerin. We have our $10 for the cash card, and then I have a $1 extra cure buck for the milk. So I hope this video was helpful for you, because I know we still need to have essentials like cereal and milk and breakfast bars and things like that so that we can stay inside. We need to have our laundry detergent, baby wipes, all that good stuff. So I hope this video gave you some ideas of how you can get these items for free or cheap. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, I thank you so much for watching. You know I will talk to you guys soon. Stay safe out there. Bye.